I drag my plow from field to field, and my back is nearly broken. But in my mind, I've been doing something right. Still my days seem to go unspoken. I am a simple man. I don't ask for nothing, don't reach out for your hand. Let me down my land. Well, my father died when I was still young, that I had to find life on my own. I've been sleeping in the woods, I was living on breadcrumbs. Make a boy feel so god awful alone. And I am a simple man. I don't ask for nothing, don't reach out for your hand. Let me down my land. Well, my mule has gone lame, and my work is slow. These times, they can bring me a little sorrow. Got no food on my table, wood in my fire, and I pray some nights I don't wake up tomorrow. You know I can't feed my children anymore, and now I hear death knocking around my door. Let me die and grieve no more. I am a simple man. I don't ask for nothing, don't reach out for your hand.